I'm here, babe.
Babe.
Happy Valentine's Day, my love.
Oh, thank you,
Yes,
sweetheart.
and the watch you asked for.
Babe, you got this for me.
Yes.
Thank you.
I want to tell you that I love you and I'm happy to have you in my life.
Babe.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay. Oh my God.
I got this for you, baby. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh my God, Jesus. Nache.
before I promise you, baby. Before I promise you.
Babe, it's
Yeah.
a lie. Who is?
Open it.
It's a lie.
Open it. It's
It's
for
a
you, my
lie.
baby. 14 Pro Max.
Jesus.
Yes, my love.
Jesus.
Worry no more. Worry no more, my love.
Nache.
And it's a
Take my money.
baby, come. It's not yet done. I'm not yet done. Walk no more, okay?
I was even thinking you bought a new car.
You know you always trek, so this for you, okay? Let them.
My God, Jesus, my God, babe, thank you so much. I love you.
I love you so
Thank
much.
you, Nache. You're not happy for me.
I'm happy for you.
Please, help her now, please.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry, it's mine. Babe, thank you so much. What would I have done without you in this life?
One minute, I need to tell you something.
What happened?
It's just
Babe, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Let's
Yes, don't worry.
Hold on, please.
What is it?
Huh? What is happening?
Eh? I don't understand.
Two men at a time. What are you doing?
Please, we only have one real man here and a boy.
I don't get it.
What did you get? No, babe, don't worry.
What's made him a boy? Why would you be doing that? Eh? Two men at a time at a spot. How do you want him to feel? Don't tell me you want to dump your relationship of 5 years because of a car. This guy that you met when? How many months now?
Nache, wait. Stop. If you like this that you are now, if they put honey or sugar in your mouth, will you split it? Will you spit it out? What is your problem? Wait, so because I've dated him for 5 years? No, because I have managed him for 5 years. I should continue to suffer. I came to this life to suffer, eh? I should wallow in poverty and agony. Please, see, let me tell you. This guy is rich. He is made. He is handsome. He's my spec, can't you see?
Ojo, can you hear me out?
What?
I'm your friend. I won't deceive you. Okay? This guy over here loves you. He cares for you. Like, he worships the land you walk on.
Nache, there is no love with that money. Don't you get?
An intentional man. He doesn't have yet, but from the little he has, he gives you. What are you trying to say?
This is what
That's
I
to show
want.
that when he has more, he's going to do more.
Nache, this is what I want. I want luxury. I want to enjoy life. Who cares about love? Love can just go, please. I want to enjoy my life. Do you understand? If you love him, go for him, eh? Please go for him, please.
This guy adores you. You want to live in life.
Keep quiet. My love.
What happened, babe?
No, nothing. It's just girls talk, you understand? You understand?
You know what?
No.
Just choose any country you want, okay? Vacation. Would you? What? Babe, what happened? I thought you said I am the only man in your life. I thought we made promises that we're going to spend the rest of our lives together.
I can't remember making such promises with you.
For the past 5 years, I've dedicated my time, my energy, and my resources into this relationship. But I just found out that it had never meant anything to you. It was just...
Calm down. Why you do all this? You talk about investing resources or whatever. What do you think you've done? See, I'm very sorry to tell you. To be very honest, I just found the love of my life. I just found a man that I
Uju,
love.
where was the love of your life when your mother was sick?
Babe, what's going on?
Uju, where was the love of your life when I was seeing you through school? Uju, where was the love of your life when you were looking